Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Bolt.new and Cursor. In order to do so, here we are in Bolt.new and we're also at Cursor.com. According to AI, both Bolt.new and Cursor are AI-powered coding tools, but they cater to different needs. Bolt.new excels in full stack prototyping and quick project setups, particularly for MVPs and internal tools, due to its speed and ease of use. Cursor, on the other hand, is better suited for experienced developers who prefer a more traditional coding experience within their editor, offering greater control and flexibility for larger production level projects. Bolt.new has rapid prototyping, which is ideal for quickly building and iterating on ideas, especially for MVPs and internal tools. It's accessible from any browser, making it easy to collaborate and share. It can generate code based on prompts, accelerating the development process. It's easily deployed you can easily deploy applications to services like Netlify, and it's well suited for creating web apps and interfaces. It is best for non-technical users, product-minded individuals, and those prioritizing speed and ease of use. However, it may lack the granular control needed for complex projects, and it might not be the best choice for large-scale, mission-critical applications. While impressive, it's not a direct replacement for Cursor AI's full-fledged code editor. Cursor, on the other hand, provides a traditional code editor experience with AI-powered features. It offers more granular control over code and project structure. It's suited for building larger, more complex applications, and it's best for developers who prefer a more traditional coding workflow. It may require more time to learn, however, and adjust to the AI-assisted features. While it can be used for prototyping, it's not as optimized for speed as Bolt.new. In summary, Bolt offers fast prototyping, web-based AI-powered code generation, one-click deployment, and it's best for non-technical users and quick projects, whereas Cursor AI is a code-first editor offering greater control and is production-ready. It's best for experienced developers and complex projects. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find a link to our link tree, and there you will find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.